Here are some tips on measuring and picturing yourself before starting the mad Indian keto diet. Use a tape measure. Take measurements of your waist, hips, chest, arms, and thighs. Measure each area at the widest point and record the measurements in a notebook or spreadsheet on the first day. Take photos. Take photos of yourself from the front, side, and back, wearing form fitting clothing or swimwear. Use consistent lighting and a plain background for accurate comparison. Wear the same clothes. To get an accurate comparison, wear the same clothing each time you take photos or measurements. Measure at the same time of the day. Take measurements and photos at the same time of the day to account for natural fluctuations in your body size. Be consistent. Take measurements and photos once a week or once a month to track your progress consistently. Focus on non scale victories. In addition to measurements, photos, consider tracking non scale victories too, such as improvements in energy levels, sleep quality, and mood. Don't obsess. While measurements and photos can be helpful tools, it's important not to obsess over them. Remember that progress is not always linear and can vary from day to day. You might lose weight in kgs today, but you will be losing in inches tomorrow, which is less visible than the water weight. By following these steps, you can accurately measure and picture yourself before starting the MAD lifestyle, which can be helpful for tracking progress, setting goals, and holding yourself accountable.